President Roosevelt's stopgap measure involved leaving the planes 1 mile from the Canadian border and then using horses to drag them the rest of the way into Canada so Britain could get the much-needed equipment. Over 5,000 aircraft, including the Harvard, slipped across the border in Montana between December 1939 and June 1941. And of course, we know that fateful day of December 7th, 1941 was the day that the United States entered World War II as a result of the Pearl Harbor attack, and all bets were off after that. Over 21,000 Harvards were built in the United States, Canada, and Australia. They saw service with air forces of over 40 nations and hundreds of thousands of pilots, navigators, and gunners. Matter of fact, the South African Air Force was the last user of the T-6 or the Harvard, finally retiring the aircraft in, get this, November 1995.
Thanks so much, all I do now.
Yeah.
Hi, cheers!
Folks, you want to have your cameras ready as Yellow Thunder comes in from the left. Their photo paths. Drew Watson in the lead. Correction, Dave Watson in the lead. Drew Watson on the wing.
Hallelujah.
As Dave and Drew get turned around for their final pass, I'd like to take this opportunity to thank our aerial sponsors, including Lethbridge Hearing Center, the Foothills Group, Martin Brothers Funeral Chapels, Gas King, and Cavendish Farms.